Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy summer. Today I'm going to be sharing a Stitch Fix unboxing. Both my boys have a Stitch Fix and I wanted to share what's inside. If you guys watch my vlog, I've been doing these unboxing videos for the boys, for myself. I've done personally for myself 56 Stitch Fix boxes. It goes way back, like I think 3 years ago is when I got my first box, you guys. So I'm really excited to share a summer haul for the boys. And also thank you so much to Stitch Fix for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. I am forever grateful, and the fact that I have done 56 fixes shows that I truly love the Stitch Fix service. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's a styling service. It's a personalized styling service. These are expert stylists and you get to request certain things that you want. Like for me, for the boys, I requested please send like stretchy pants, pants that don't really have zippers because I'm potty training. Like I wrote a whole note. And if I can find that note, I will take screenshots and I'll show you guys and I asked for like t-shirt pajamas because it's been getting really hot. And so you can request for that and it saves you so much time. Instead of like shopping at the stores and like looking for different outfits and different brands, the stylist is just gonna ship it out to you. And it also comes with like shoes if you want, accessories. And also stay tuned till the very end because I'm gonna be sharing the most epic giveaway and you guys want to stay tuned. So the first thing I wanted to share is I guess Jakey's box because it's in the top, right? So Stitch Fix kids, they carry size 2T to size 14. So like, man, I just gotta be honest, sometimes I can even fit in size 14 kid sizes. So like, you know, it's from baby to almost adulthood. So I requested for new closed-toe sandals for Jakey just because he every week he has like a splash day and he needs to wear closed-toe shoes for splash day. So this is perfect and they look like this. They're so cute and they're very easy to put on because it's a Velcro. So, and I also like that Stitch Fix delivers the shoes in a bag like this, like a shoe bag, right? And also when I keep certain like shoes that I like from Stitch Fix, I end up keeping the bag because it's great for traveling because it's so big that I can put at least 2 pairs of shoes inside when traveling, and that helps. Like instead of like a Ziploc bag, like I've got like a specific bag for the kids. And actually we went to Chicago recently and I got a fix for Liam and he had like these new shoes. He was obsessed with the bag and he just was like, I want to keep the bag. And I'm like, boy, we are going to keep the bag forever because I like using it for traveling. But he even likes his like own personalized like shoe bag. Anyways, in Jakey's box, let's just continue to go over it. I just wanted to also share that anything that you don't like from your fix, you can return. They send you a bag and it's already self-addressed and all of that, and you don't have to pay for shipping, no postage necessary, and you just put everything back in this bag and then you just ship it out for free, you know, and you're good to go. And then whatever you decide to keep, you can keep. Whatever you decide to return, you return. But if you end up liking everything in your box, like all 5 of the items, you get 25% off your entire purchase, which is like a nice little bonus if you end up liking everything. So they also, in the Kids Stitch Fix box, they give you stickers, which is really nice. Thank you, because I'm going to use this for potty training. Like whenever Jakey goes pee-pee in the potty, I'm going to be giving him a sticker, like in a sticker chart or like just paper or something. So stickers are great for kids. They love stickers, right? So I'm just going to keep this little paper. It tells you everything that's in it and even a note. The note is really cute. It says, be sure to give mom a thumbs up when you try on something that you really love. This is so cute. I love the little letter. So, and then inside there's also like a styling card that shows you how to style outfits, which is really helpful if you like want to figure out how to like style an outfit. And then there's also pricing on everything. So everything that I share, I will also go through pricing. So this is the first thing that I see. These are like cute little Hurley basketball shorts. You guys see that? Adorable. And they meet my criteria for pulling up and down for potty training, right? And it also goes with this top too. It says, I'm on a new level. And those are Under Armour short sleeve 2T is $18. And then the shorts, 2T is also $18. So these are both $18, and they're very like light for the summer, which is really nice. And then this is adorable. It glows in the dark. It's by a brand called Joules. It's a glow-in-the-dark t-shirt. How cute is that? I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I loved glow-in-the-dark. I had like these glow-in-the-dark stickers on my ceiling. I don't even know how I reached the ceiling. I think my parents helped me. But I had stickers on my ceiling. So glow-in-the-dark is a total win for kids. Joules, that t-shirt is pale yellow, size 2, and it's $18. And then this is actually something that I requested, so I'm really grateful that they, the stylist, really thought it through and sent this to me. But I asked for t-shirt short pajamas because it's been getting hot. So these are perfect. This is by the brand RUMI and RYDER. And this is a size 2T. And it comes with the t-shirt and also the shorts like that. And then I got more pajamas for my baby. I got these ones too. Oh my gosh, I like this one. It has like you know, all the planets. And so this one is also by RUMI and RYDER. And these, oh my gosh, these shorts, they look like denim, but they're not, or pinstripes. But it's like the softest fabric. It's got pockets. Let me tell you about pockets and toddlers. They love them, or at least mine do. I remember I would like surprise them and put like a little gummy in their pocket. Liam loved wearing like cargos so that we could put like something, anything that has a pocket, I'm telling you, like they love pockets. And this has a drawstring, but the drawstring isn't functional, it's just for design, but it's got an elastic waistband, which I really like, which will be easy to pull on and off for potty training, which is really great. And then the last thing that I wanted to share that came from Jakey's box is this t-shirt by RUMI and RYDER. It says, "It's a wild world." This, though, it looks like it's running a little too big. Like I can already tell that even Liam could fit into this one. So this one looks like it would be a little too big. So this is the only thing that I'm not keeping from Jacob's box, just because it's a little too big. It's gonna take him 2 years to catch up to that size.
Ooh, did you try and get in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just over water.
You tip over in the water wet. Yeah. It is.
Oh, look at that. What is it? Like an ice cream cone? What else is in there? That's so silly.
So now let's go and move on to Liam's box. So Liam got 2 pairs of shoes, which I really love. So he got these sandals, which they're so easy to put on, and they look like you buckle them, but you don't. They're Velcro, you guys. I love that. I love that they look like you have to buckle them, but you don't. Like with kids, it's hard when they're so young and they're so busy and they don't want to sit still. So these are nice shoes, and they're very lightweight. Like they have no weight to them. Even better are these shoes. I love native shoes. Jacob, in his previous Stitch Fix box, he actually got yellow native shoes, and he wears them all the time, you guys. So I'm really happy that we got a new pair for Liam, because he has a gray one and now he has these navy blue ones, and they're so lightweight. And the thing about these native shoes is they're waterproof, but you can also wear them in the fall with socks. So you can wear them any season pretty much. Well, if you live in the snow, no, don't wear this. But you know what I mean? Like we live in the Bay Area in California, so it's something that we can wear year round. But these are great. They're lightweight, and I've been saying, like, do they have adult ones? In my next fix, please stylist send me adult versions, because I want some too. Like, they're so lightweight and comfortable, and they're really cute. So it comes with a shoe box too that I'm keeping. Definitely keeping both shoes because they look great. And then you guys, Liam graduated preschool, and now he's in summer camp before kindergarten. So it was really exciting. We got him a new lunch box, a new lunch box. I mean, why did I say 2 lunch boxes? We got him a lunch box and a new backpack. He's really excited about that. And also, so it's also good to get some like back to school clothing. And you know what's so funny? You know what's so funny? We actually got Liam a fix before he started summer camp. So it's so crazy. It's such a coincidence that I'm actually so blessed to work with Stitch Fix, because I actually got him a box before he started school. So this is his second box in his summer camp now. Even, oh my gosh, even his first day of school, he was wearing a Stitch Fix t-shirt. It was like a yellow one with a dinosaur and it had like a zipper. I have to find a picture or a clip of him wearing it. Like, yeah, so we use Stitch Fix regularly. We also got these shorts. I have to check with Liam because, to be honest, he likes the softer shorts, but these are really cute though. Like on a day where he has to dress up a little more, like he can handle that, you know, but for some reason he doesn't like jeans. It's so weird. He just doesn't like jeans. It's really cute. So I'm going to just put this on the side and think about that. And then these shorts, it's Sovereign Code also, size 5. For some reason, I really like the softness and the feel, but I know it's too big for him because I think he got something like this last time and it was too big for him. Sizing is different for every kid brand, just like it is for every adult brand, and I know this is too big, so I'm gonna put this in the corner because I'm not gonna get that for him just because I know it won't fit him. Like, it's just gonna be too loose. So that one is actually Sovereign, $18. It's an off-white color short. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited! I think y'all know us very well because Jacob, in his previous fix, he got this. And they shipped this out for Liam. So I love matching my boys. So I'm so happy that Liam and Jakey both have this exact like outfit. This is from RUMI and RYDER and it is light blue and it's $24 for this set. I love it. Jakey has it already. So definitely keeping this. And then we got, oh my gosh. This t-shirt is too cute. It says Dino S'more. And it's a dinosaur roasting marshmallows. Totally keeping this for sure. And this is by RUMI and RYDER. I noticed RUMI and RYDER is very popular here at Stitch Fix. And this is $14. Good price. So I'm keeping that for sure. So I'm going to put it in this pile. And then this, you guys, I showed these pajamas already. The RUMI and RYDER pajamas. So they sent over one for Liam too. And I love it because Jakey and Liam can match. Right over here is the Adventure is Out There. This is cute. Like, it's, you know, it's just a basic t-shirt with like a truck on it. So I'm sure Liam will like it, but I'm not sure if I want to keep it or not because he has so many t-shirts with trucks on them. So I will put this in my maybe pile. So those outfits for the boys are going to be really helpful because we travel a lot. Like this summer alone, like, oh my gosh, even before we went to Punta Cana, I got Jacob a Stitch Fix box and I packed some of the clothes for him to Punta Cana. So like, I've been taking my Stitch Fix boxes and their outfits everywhere, you know? And then also we're going to be going to New York next week. We're going to go to LA to visit family and also for a work thing. And we're also going to Minnesota for a family reunion. All in this month. Just in the month of July, we're doing all that traveling. So it's really helpful for me to have all these clothes for them ready to go. All I have to do is wash it, especially the pajamas and the shoes. Like, shoes is the difficult part, but they always get it right. Like, they really do. And I'm just so grateful for that. Like, those are really good outfits for the boys. And I didn't even have to take any time. All I did was order a fix, ask the stylist to get specific things, and done. Saves you so much time, you guys. And the cool thing is you don't have to subscribe. Like, there's no subscription necessary. All you have to do is just request a fix. And if you want to get regular fixes, you can. But if you don't, that's it. Just be like, you know what? This is the only fix that I want for this season. I'm good, you know? You can request certain fixes at certain time, anytime, and cancel it if you don't want it. And also definitely return things that you don't like or also that doesn't fit. Do you guys remember how I said to stay tuned until the very end of this video for this insane giveaway, sweepstakes? Stitch Fix went all out. Like, I am shook. I wish I could enter. Can I enter Stitch Fix? Because, like, I order lots of boxes. Just kidding, you guys. I'm not entering. But you guys can enter. And I'm so excited because they call it their Stitch Fix Summer Sweepstakes. And the grand prize winner is going to get a $10,000 family summer vacation, and on top of that, the grand prize winner also gets a $1,000 Stitch Fix credit to shop Stitch Fix. Like, you're gonna go on vacation and you're gonna go in style. I mean, I'm so jelly. Like, can you guys take me too? I'm also part of your family because we're part of the April Athena 7 family, right? Okay. I wish, I hope that, like, you know, just enter, you guys. This is insane. And then, not don't feel bad if you don't win that one, because that's one grand prize winner, like just one family that will get to win that. Stitch Fix is also giving away 12 other winners a $250 Stitch Fix credit to shop. So that's pretty amazing too. And then if you don't win that, they're also giving away $25 Stitch Fix credit. So there's just so many ways to enter the sweepstakes. Like, it's insane. You guys should really enter. Like, there's so many opportunities to win, whether it's the grand prize, the $250 credit, or the $25 credit. To enter, schedule a kids fix by July 13th and you're gonna be entered to win. I'm so excited for you guys. Thank you again to Stitch Fix for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. You guys, all the details for getting yourself a fix and joining the sweepstakes is gonna be down below. But you guys want to do that, just get yourself a kids fix before July 13th and you're entered. Like, and you could have the possibility of winning that grand prize or the other prizes, which are pretty amazing too, like the $250 credit to shop. Even $25 credits to shop is pretty awesome too, because you get like 2 shirts with that. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.